So we remove the needle, we remove the foot. See, it's not possible to remove. Okay, so we're removing the plate with a special screwdriver.
Oh, that's offset screwdriver.
Offset screwdriver. Why is it? It's better than this one?
Well, it got sucked into the bottom part.
Yeah, okay, I had no choice but to cut this lace.
Oh, there's no.
Okay.
Lifted this off.
Lifted this off.
Put this here, so that's up.
So which screws you're gonna loosen now?
So you can see that the fabric is pinned up against that guide.
Yeah.
And this guide has 2 screws on it. So
Okay.
I'm gonna take this off.
Okay, 2 more screws.
Did that loosen it? Yeah. Okay, so this is loosened now. This is getting ready to come off. So I'm gonna loosen it more. Okay, this is as loose as it's gonna get.
Okay, so this is coming out, right? Okay,
Okay.
coming out.
So there it is.
This is what we removed.
Bobbin holder is out. And so okay, so we know this goes here, and this basically holds the bobbin holder down. So
Remove this part, right? Yeah, okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna tighten those screws back up. As part of this movement, right? You see this open part here?
Mm-hmm.
Somehow it caught that and pulled it in.
Yeah.
No, that's what happened.
Okay.
Barely
Here is his tools, and he's using this little one to put it back and tighten.
Is a Sunday call out is quite expensive, and that did take about 10 minutes. So the total charge for this, including the call out fee, is going to be about $1.18.
God, you're so expensive.